This is going to be a super easy step-by-step strategy on how you can make $7 per file that you upload online. How this works is you upload a file to this platform that I'm going to show you. This platform then monetizes that with ads every time a download is made, and you are given a commission for that. So what's fantastic about this, you're not selling anything. This is not going to be affiliate marketing. We're not going to be doing CPA marketing. This is not going to be surveys. This pays worldwide in so many different methods such as PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, WebMoney, Payeer, Bitcoin Cash, lots of cryptocurrencies that is accepted worldwide. This works in every single country, and this is probably going to be one of the easiest step-by-step videos that you will see on YouTube so far. And I'm also going to show you a strategy that I use with landing page builders to actually collect emails of people that download these files and make 3 to 4 times my earnings of multiple downloads at the same time. I'm also going to give you a paid resource in this video that you can use for the strategy, so make sure to stick until the end of this video so that you can get your giveaway. As like I mentioned on my second channel right here, I'm doing a giveaway in every single video, including today's one. So if you want to get that giveaway, I'm going to actually give you the resource that I've been using in this video that you can literally go and use and copy the strategy. All you got to do is make sure you subscribe down below to this channel with the notifications on so that I can send you a message every time I upload a value pack video just like this one. And also leave a like on this video, comment down below that you're ready, and I'll reply to the download link to this resource that I've been using for this strategy. But let's get straight into my PC. So we're now inside of my PC, and I've actually spoken about this platform before, and you can actually make some decent money off of this. It's very easy to use. It's completely free, and I actually want to show you that Dropbox actually gives you like 2 gigs of free storage. This website actually gives you 50 gigs of free storage when signing up a free account. So it's also a nice platform to use to just store files on a cloud device, which is really great. But I want to show you something over here. This is how much you can earn for downloading files using this website. So how this works is you upload a file to this website, you get your own unique link. Every time someone downloads that file, you're going to get paid. So for example, you've got tier A, B, C, and D countries. So tier A is United States and Canada. For an 0 to 500 meg file, that is $7 earnings. For a 200 meg file plus, that is $13. Now the cash out limit on this website is actually only $5, which is not a lot at all, very low. So it's not like you need to save and wait months on end to get a cash out point of like $100 before you can cash out. It's very low at $5. So literally 1 or 2 downloads on any of these documents over here, you can cash out already. And also I want to show you quickly is some other people getting paid from this. So take a look at this person over here. They do have to hide out the username as it is personal names, but this guy got paid $6, $10, $5, $6 here, $5.20, $7.35, $12, $5. So as you can see, it's not hundreds and hundreds of dollars. It's really not a lot of money at all. It's just extra spending money if you want to spend some money on food, going out, whatever it is. But it's very easy. Usually the simpler the task, the less you're going to make, but you can do this over and over again and make lots of little amounts to build up to a big amount. That is possible. Like I said, there's no hundreds of dollars a day here. This is the kind of platform that will pay you maybe $12, $10 a day by doing this. But like I said, that's a very nice extra income. If you look at it in terms of how much it pays every month, this could be an extra $300, $400 a month, which in my country is nearly some people's salary, because that's about 8,000 Rand. So that's a great way to look at it, is that it adds up. It's a great side hustle, very easy side hustle to do, which you could actually invest into something more bigger, such as affiliate marketing or drop servicing or drop shipping later on to build a much bigger business online. So now that we know how this website works, now that we know how much people are making on this, we need to come over to a website called IDPLR.com, and I'm actually going to give you the document. I bought a membership on this website. It cost me $80, so I have access to all the premium products as well, which all plays a big role in downloading our product, because people like more premium stuff. So what we can do is we can click on products. Let's go over here with giveaway rights. Let's click on giveaway rights. These are products that we are allowed to go and give away under our own name as our own product. So take a look at this. How to grow your business with sales funnels. Kickstart your internet business. Let's go, for example, use this one. What I like about kickstarting your internet business, it's an ebook or a little book that anybody can really get into, because a lot of people want to get into internet business. For example, if we quickly go back, if you want to share something more like how to grow your business with sales funnels, that's not going to get as many downloads and clicks, because not everybody has sales funnels. People want to become more basic. They want to just see how to kickstart your internet business and then maybe get into sales funnels from there. So this is a nice product because it suits everybody. So what we're going to do is we need to sign up an account and download this, but this is a paid product. So like I said, if you do want this, all you need to do is leave a like, subscribe with the bell on, and comment down below you're ready so I can send you this document or download link to this document. Then what I'm going to do is you're going to click on download, and that's it. It's now downloaded to my PC. Now all we have to do is come back to upload.io, click on start uploading now. Over here you can click or drag your documents on here. So I'm just going to click on here, and all we do is we select our zip document over here with the PDF inside. So we click on open and take a look at this. This is then going to start uploading to our upload account. And now every time someone goes to this link, let me just show you. If I actually go and paste this here, it's going to actually take them to this upload.io page. Take a look at this. They can then click over here on free download, and over here if they wait 20 seconds it will then download to their PC, and you'll see all these ads over here, these adverts, these Google ads is what's paying us money for this. So that is how we earn money, by sharing files. But now we need to go and get this out there, and I actually have two crazy free strategies that will get a lot of downloads. Firstly, we can actually come over to Twitter, and since our ebook was all about getting started with an internet business, we can go search on Twitter how to start an online business, or let's go, how do I start an online business. Let's click on search and take a look over here, and you can actually see people on Twitter are asking questions. How do I start an online business? For example here, hi Jose, how do I start an online business? What do I need to do? How do I start an online business in 2020? What we can go and do is we can actually go and reply to some of these people and be like, hey, let's go use this guy over here, Sonia, how do I start an online business? All we do is we click on comment, and we can type for this following. And I just replied with this. Hi David, I recently came across this ebook that helped me create my first brand and online business to generate a handy side income. You can download it here for free if you'd like to check it out. All you do is you click on reply, and what you go and do is you go and talk to a whole bunch of different people on Twitter that is looking for ways to how to start an online business, how to make money online, how to get more sales in their business, all sorts of ways like that. You can go and target them, get some downloads going, and make some money online. Or what you could also do is you can actually come over to a tool like Kartra. Take a look at this landing page over here. So what I do is on Kartra. Kartra is like a all-in-one business builder in a box where you can build your own sales pages, landing pages, collect emails, run email marketing campaigns. You can have membership areas, entire agency funnels. It is really crazy the kind of business you can build with Kartra. And I'm actually giving away over $5,000 worth of sales funnels in the first link in the description. I'm an affiliate for Kartra, but the thing is I'm not using these bonuses to just get you through my affiliate link, because you don't even have to sign up on Kartra. You can go and sign up on Kartra's trial through my affiliate link down below. You don't even need to buy a package yet, and you can keep those bonuses forever. If you ever decide to cancel your trial or your membership, you can keep those bonuses forever. Once you're on your dashboard, you can go create a new page and add from so many different templates over here. And I just imported one like this, and this is basically how it goes. So I've got the picture of the product here, or like a demo picture. You can go and replace it with obviously the picture of that specific ebook that you've downloaded, or through the comments down below. And take a look at this. When people click on yes, I want this, basically they have to enter their first name and email and sign up, and then only download that ebook. And then what I've got is this button over here then leads to my upload.io link. So basically I'm making money on the download, and I've also collected their name and email, so I can retarget them with more emails and downloads later on, and get 3 or 4 downloads of the same people and earn 3 to 4 times my income. You can start an entire email marketing campaign where you can advertise different downloads, give them different ebooks. Hey, I see you enjoyed my first ebook. Here's an upgrade to this ebook, and you just have another upload.io download link to that, and you can make more commissions of that download as well from the same person. And again, you're not selling anything. All these people are getting is free value, and you're getting paid for that. And as an excellent alternative, you can come over to Facebook groups and make use of thousands of different members on Facebook groups and communities on Facebook to go and suggest these ebooks to people. But what I suggest is, before we just go and spam, take a look at some of these groups over here. So I just searched build an online brand. My group actually popped up here with 64k members. You're welcome to go join this group and use my group as for this strategy. There's more and more groups here. For example, building influential brands with this guy. So let's click on his group and let's take a look at this. What I suggest is, I think this is private. Okay, this is a private group. So I'm going to use my own group as an example because I know it's a public group. take a look at this. What I suggest is come to the comment sections of the specific group that you've chosen, reply to the different comments and say to them and be organic. You want to be, hey guys, I just came across this ebook that I've used to build my own little online business and my own little online brand to build a bit of a side income. If you want to check out this ebook, send me a DM or send me a message or reply to this comment. Show that you are a real person engaging and not just some bot spamming his link everywhere. And then once people reply to that, you can send them your download link and be like, here's the download link. You're welcome to check this out anytime. Let me know how it goes and how it helped you. So that's just another great way of being organic with this to get the best results possible. But what I'm also going to do is quickly on the screen above, I'm going to leave a link to yesterday's video where I'll also give away another ClickBank course. Really valuable video. Definitely suggest going to check that out. That is indeed this video over here that teaches you how to actually make $10 per comment or review on different software programs on this website that lists an entire database of different softwares. And you can go and review these softwares, and every review that you make and that is submitted and accepted, you can win $10 per review. So definitely go check this video out if you want to earn some extra income doing that. But without further ado, take care and I'll see you there.